Open OBS Studio on your PC and locate your Sources section. If you see a yellow border around your screen while recording, right-click on your Display Capture Source and select Properties. This border is a Windows security feature, but you can easily disable it by changing your settings. In the Properties window, look for the Capture Method drop-down menu. Change this setting to DXGI Desktop Duplication and click OK. In many cases, this will immediately remove the yellow outline. If your screen turns black after making this change, you will need to adjust your Windows graphics settings to fix the compatibility. To fix a black screen, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings, then click on Graphics Settings. Find OBS in the list. If it's not there, click Browse and navigate to your installation folder to add obs64.exe. Click on OBS, select Options, and try switching between High Performance and Power Saving. Save your changes and restart OBS until the display appears correctly without the border. Once the border is gone, you can continue recording your high-quality content without any visual distractions. This method ensures your PC captures a clean desktop view every time. If you want to further optimize your setup, make sure your encoder and bitrate are also configured for your specific hardware. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.